If the women of India become conscious about their health, then whole India will be healthy. Friends, you will be amazed to know that one out of five women is malnutritionist. Today, I'm not talking about those women or those areas which comes under the metro or becoming the metro. I'm talking about those areas who are developing and they are far away from the metro cities. Because India is still a place where 70% area comes under villages. So that's why we should accept this reality that the women of India must need a good health. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, as we all know that women of India is quite far away from the fitness, from gymming, from exercising than men. I still remember those days when my wife used to go in a gym at 10 p.m. once she comes back from her home so that she can become healthy and she can have the privilege of health in her life. But it was making me tense just because of the late nights into the gymming before the lockdown. But now the lockdown has been gone and it has given us so much new things also. That's why people have started working out in their home. My family is also working out in their home, are just watching some YouTube channels. But the point of concern which I like to say over here, to achieve the health goals for an Indian woman is quite hard than the man of India. Still, I have rarely seen in my sisters, in my cousin sisters and all, that they like to go gymming and they like to do workouts in their life just because of their atmosphere. I hardly seen in my friend circle among the girls they are talking about the whey protein and the value of protein in their diet. But usually, as boy as a man, we usually talk. So that's why India needs so much women enthusiasm in terms of workouts, in terms of health. And it just say that the every fat reduction journey, every weight loss journey starts from the kitchen. And as we all know that who is the king of the kitchen? The woman of our home. Imagine for a moment that you get a diet food with your mother's taste. So it will become tremendously tasty and tremendously adaptable. But just because the women of India does not have much knowledge about the health, that's why we Indian, even men's, are not healthy, are not that much on or not even on that level where they should be. So that's why today I like to talk about three key points about the women health. The number one point. The number one point is that women must include protein in their diet. Usually, as a part of an Indian culture, we are tend to have the knowledge that dal or pulses or lentils are the good sources of protein. But my dear friends, it is not a true thing. If you want to have a good health, then add some proteins like paneer, add some proteins like beans, add some proteins like soya chunks, or if you are non-vegetarian, then include some chicken breast and some eggs in your daily food so that you can have good protein in your life. Because every Indian is, if we check the body, if we check the what is the macronutrient missing from the Indian people, then you will find the protein. Although, if you combine two grains together, pulses and rice together, then it will give you some sound quality of protein. But still, please have some good proteins in your life. Give some values to the pure protein sources. Pure protein source means that it has lots of protein and some amount of carbs and some amount of fat. So that's why soya chunks is a really good option. Point number two. Women must take care of their calcium, and their blood hemoglobin. Women has a different body structure, different hormonal structure than men. That's why their tendency to lose fat is also different. Usually they lose their fat. Their body is made up of, and their body is made up of to take care of the water in their body, so that they can have a easy menstruation cycle per month. So that's why their body structure becomes different in the 10 days prior to their menstruation cycle. So that's why they should not take care of their weight on those 10 days. But women can also have the power of good fats, because they tend to have more fats than the men. So that's why they have more energy. That's why they have more elasticity in their body. So it is a boon also for them. So what they need to include, they need to include a good calcium sources like milk in their body, in their food, and they also need to include some wheat and some banana in their diet, so that their hemoglobin level will remain quite good, whether they are getting in any kind of cycle, whether they are in married, whether they are unmarried. But they must take care of these two things, or these two food items in their diet. The third, Indian woman believes that if she is going to lift the weight, then she will become and have the muscles like men. But it is not true. Women have different hormones. Until and unless you put some injections of hormones into you, you cannot have the muscularity like a man. Whether you lift 100 kg of weights, because man has a hormone which is known as testosterone, and the women have the hormone which is known as estrogen. So they have the estrogen hormone, which doesn't allow them to have the muscles. But if they going to lift some weights, if they're going to do some hard exercises, then their body will become sharp, and they will become stronger, and they will become beautiful. So this is how lifting weight makes a woman beautiful. Just get this thing into your mind. If you cannot do any hard workouts, then at least I request to you, go for a walk every day. You have right to have the knowledge of fitness, so that you can give this knowledge or this gift to your family also. Because if a single woman become conscious about its health, then the whole family will become healthy automatically. So that's why you should have the knowledge. So friend, these are the some things which I like to discuss with you about the health of a woman, and especially to all the women, if she can have this tip and utilize these tips in their life to gain the gift of health. Or if you wish to start your health journey, or if you wish to lose some weight, then you can download my ebook. Description I'm giving you, the link I'm giving you in the description. Or if you wish to have some personal coaching from me, then you can message me directly. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bhupendra signing out for now till we meet again, and I wish for all of you to know your fitness.